Hi guys. So you guys were absolute rock stars on your human achievement research and your presentation as a newscast, and I was very proud of you. I was looking at your research on the human impact on our environment, and I feel like we need a little bit more direction. So after some reflection this weekend, I created a graphic organizer, and we're going to work through. I'm going to make a series of these little videos to show you how to get through it. So let's jump right into it so I can show you. First of all, we're writing research, and we need to decide on our topic and subtopic, which you have already done. Your topic is either land, water, or air, right? And then you've chosen a subtopic. For example, some of you that chose water chose plastic in the ocean. Some of you that chose air chose vehicle emissions. So you need to fill in your topic and your subtopic and then hit play. Go ahead and pause the video now, type subtopic and topic, and then hit play. Okay, so now that we know that our subtopic and what our topic and subtopic are, we need to write our thesis. Now, a thesis is just one sentence that is very concise, that tells the reader exactly what your essay is going to be about. It's also called, probably in K5, it was probably called central idea or main topic sentence. From this point forward, we're going to call it thesis. So a thesis for this is you're going to take your subtopic and your topic and our overall idea, and you're going to put those together in one sentence. So I want to give you some time to think. I want you to try to write your own sentence, and then we're going to talk through it. So go ahead and pause. Try to write your own, just as a challenge. If you're already feeling frustrated, don't pause and just keep playing, okay? But try to write your own. Just go for it. Stretch your brain just a little bit. How'd it go? Are we there? Okay, so when we were talking quite a bit in class, we were talking about the negative human impact on our environment. And we said those a lot. We talked about it. We used the phrase issues facing us today, which is used in the book that we're using, our Individuals and Societies book. But it's also, and we also said a negative human impact. So let's think about those phrases as we write our thesis. So what we could say is one issue facing humans today is, and then you can write your topic and your subtopic, or your subtopic followed by your topic. Another way you could say it is, and this is a good sentence frame for in general, if you have several things wrong, or you have you're going to make 3 or 4 main points, you could say there are many negative, that is not how you spell negative, sorry, consequences, and that could be a good frame to start you off with your sentence. So I hope these two help with writing your thesis. On Tuesday and Wednesday, you're going to complete this slide, and then on Thursday and Friday, we are going to talk about this slide. So that's, first of all, we have our topic and our subtopic, and we're writing our thesis. The next step that you're going to do, which you've already started, is gathering your evidence from reliable sources. You guys are absolute rock stars at finding good, reliable sources. What I want you to do is at least 2 websites. You're going to choose the websites, which you've already done. I want you to copy and paste your website right here, and so that we know what website we're going to, and then all the information for that website is going to be typed down in this section. And then also for this, your second website with all of your information that you've collected about, I'm sorry, I just messed up. With all of your information about the negative human impact on our environment. Okay? So once you're done with this, you are done for today.